Alright, this one looks almost too simple, and that's exactly why so many people fall straight into the trap. A lot of people glance at the expression and go, okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Oh no, don't let the simplicity fool you. That answer looks clean, but it breaks the order of operations in the very first step. Let's slow down and walk through it the right way. We follow PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. And remember, multiplication and division share equal priority. And addition and subtraction also share equal priority. Inside each level, we always move left to right. Now, in this expression we have 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 set of parentheses. Inside that parenthesis, a simple addition. And here's something many people miss. Whenever a number is placed directly beside a parenthesis, it means multiplication, even without writing the word times. It's just a standard math shortcut. So let's apply PEMDAS correctly. Step 1. Handle the parentheses. Inside them, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now the entire expression becomes 4 divided by 2 times 2. This is where the twist appears. People often want to multiply first because it looks cleaner. But PEMDAS does not say multiply before divide. Multiplication and division are on the same level, so we go left to right. So we begin with the division. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now we move to the multiplication. 2 times 2 equals 4. And that leads us to the correct final answer. 4. Not 1, not anything else, just 4, all because of the correct order of operations. Let me know in the comments. Did you get fooled by the simple version at the start? And if you enjoy catching these sneaky math mistakes, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more daily math tricks.